Hey guys, I'll be answering the question if the Nothing Phone 2A has wireless charging. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the Nothing Phone 2A does not support wireless charging, which might be a deal breaker for some users. However, it does come with a 45-watt fast wired charging, meaning you can get a significant battery boost in a short time if you have a compatible charger. Wireless charging is a convenient feature, but it's often slower compared to the wired fast charging. The Nothing Phone 2A prioritizes speed over convenience, unfortunately, ensuring you'll spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. So if wireless charging is a must-have for your phone, you might want to look at the Nothing Phone 2, which does include this feature. But if you're okay with sticking to wired charging and want a budget-friendly device with solid performance, the Nothing Phone 2A is still a great option in my opinion.